How to give account access on OnlineJobs.ph. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for OnlineJobs.ph/jobseekers. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, you will be automatically redirected to this page where you can start searching for a job. So in here, technically, you cannot give account access to someone because you will be subject to violation. But if you want to share your profile or you want to give account access or your profile to someone, what you can do is to simply tap on this account option, and then in here we'll have to tap on our account's name. After that, we will be automatically redirected to our profile, and then on top, you will see this profile link. In here, if you want to share or give access to a client to your account so they can view your profile, what you can do is to copy this link and then send the link to your client or to your boss. So that's how easy we can give account access on OnlineJobs.ph. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.